In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can add someone like a channel administrator to your channel. So ensure that you're on your YouTube Studio. On the YouTube Studio page, select Settings, select Permissions, then select Manage Permissions. Here, select Manage Permissions. Here, it will ask you to log in, so select Next. That's the two-factor authentication. So here you're going to open your YouTube mobile app and say, yes, it's you. Now you have the option to manage permissions. So select the plus to invite a new user. Once you specify the email of the person you want to add, select the role and then select Channel Manager. Then select Invite. If you want to switch the person to a owner, you can do that after 7 days. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.